Hello, today I'm going to be showing you how to do this cute kind of like, not waterfall, I don't know, it's like firework bun. And, sorry, my chair's squeaking. So I'm going to start off with clean hair or else it will look kind of bumpy. Like I washed my hair this morning. But you can do it on, like, freshly washed hair, but I don't like to do that since I don't wear my hair down every day. So you can do that the second day hair. So put your hair in the back. And repeat. And make sure your hair is parted in the middle. Take all your hair, go like this, twist it, like that, and grab it, like this, go like this, like that. That's right. Since my hair is washed, I don't want to take these pieces out. Like, I usually put two pieces, but not thick, just like really thin. I hate when people have like huge pieces going on, but I also do that on second day hair. But yeah, I really like this because it's cuter than wearing your hair just in a ponytail or just in a bun. Yeah, thank you for watching this video. Bye.